Welcome to Via Digital YouTube channel, Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about a Python program. Python program. The program is a given number. Write a program. Write a program. Write a program to find the given number is prime number or not. Prime number or not. What is prime? Here what is prime number? Prime number means the number of factors are only two. The number of factors are only two. That is the number, the given number is divisible by one and itself only. It is called as a prime number. Prime number means total number of factors. Total number of factors are only two. Total number of factors. Number of factors are only two. That is, the number is divisible by. That is, the given number is divisible by one and itself. That means the total number of factors are only two. For example, when enter the given number is 8. For example, given number is 8. The number of factors are 8 factors are 1, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 8. The 8 number of factors are 4. So it is not a prime number. It's not a prime number. For example, 10. 10 is a given number. The total number of factors are 1, 2, 5, and 10. So here the total number of factors are 4. So the 10 is not a prime number. For example, 11. 11 factors are 1 and 11 only. The total number of factors are 2. So it is a prime number. The number of factors are 2. That is, the number is divisible by 1. In the given example, 8 is not a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. Here the only one, that is 11 is a prime number. 8 and 10 are not prime numbers. The 11 is a prime number. The given number is prime number or not. Okay. First of all, enter the number from the keyboard. First enter the value from the keyboard. In this example, enter the value n equal to input of enter any integer. Enter any number, given number, any number. The number equal to n value. N is any number. In this program, we are using either for loop or while loop. We can use either for loop or while loop. No problem. Any one loop. We can use it for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1 times colon. Here we are using only range function with two parameters. Or we can use the only one parameter also, comma 1. First parameter is the starting value. This is the ending value, and this is the every time is incrementing by 1. If condition n value is divided by I, remainder equal to 0. Count the factors. Only the number of factors are only 2. Counting the factors. Count equal to count plus 1. Initially, starting value, the number of factors, count value equal to 0. And the total number of factors or count value is 2. Then the given number is prime number. Otherwise, the given number is not prime number. This is the condition checking. If the n value is divided by I, the remainder value is 0. The count the factor. If count value equal to 2, number of factors are 2, then the given number is prime number. When given number is prime number. Else colon print given number is not a prime number. Given number is not a prime number. Total number of factors. The logic is number of factors are only 2. Here, first example, count the factors. The count value equal to 2. The given number is prime number. Otherwise, not a prime number. For example, enter any number. Here, this is the first line of the program. This is the n value and any number value, and we are using I value, and we are using count value. Count value. For example, enter the value. The value is, for example, the given number equal to 5. The 5 is prime number or not. So if the prime number means the number is divisible by 1 in itself only. Simply the starting value, the count value equal to 0. And next one, for loop. This range function returns 1 comma n plus 1. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N plus 1 means 6. It is not the ending value up to only 5 value. First, for example, first I value, it takes the I value equal to 1. Initially, I value equal to 1. If n divided by I, n value is 5. The 5 is divided by I value is 1. 5 divided by 1. 1 5 is 5. The remainder value equal to 0. This remainder value is 0. 0 equal to 0. Increase the count value. The count value, starting value 0 is increasing the count value. Count plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. Again, the control goes to back in the for loop. Again, the next time takes the I value equal to 2. Next time I value equal to 2. Second value. If n value is divided by I, the given n value is 5. The 5 value is divided by 2. 2 2 is 4. Here the remainder value is 1. In this example, this I value 2 equal remainder value equal to 1. 1 equal to 0. 1 equal to 0. This condition returns false. This statement is not executed. Again, the control goes to back. Again, the next I value equal to 3. The I value equal to 3. Again, the I value equal to 3. If n value is divided by I, n value is 5. The I value is 3. 3 1 is 3. The remainder value 2. Here the condition, check the condition. The 2 equal to 0. That is equal to condition is false. This statement is not executed. Again, the control goes to back for loop. Again, the next time I value equal to 4. Next time I value equal to 4 value. If n value divided by I, n is I, 5, I value is 4, 4 1 is 4, the remainder value 1. Here the remainder value 1 equal to 0. N divided by I, n percentile I, returns the value 1, the remainder value equal to 1 equal to 0. This condition false. This statement is not executed. Again, the control goes to back. The next time I value equal to 5. I value equal to 5. If n divided by I, n value 5, here I value is 5. Here the n value is 5, n value is 5, and the I value is also 5. 5 1 is 5, and the remainder value is 0. And here the remainder value is 0. 0 equal to 0. This condition returns true. Count value is increasing by 1. Now the count value, old value is 1. The new count value equal to 2. Again, the control goes to back. Again, the next I value is 6. But I value is up to only 5. 6 is not available. The loop is over. Immediately the control is transferred to the next statement of the for loop. Here the next statement of the for loop is to count the factors. After counting, the given number is prime number or number, check it. How to check? The total number of factors are 2. Here the count value equal to 2, that is equal to 2. 2 equal to 2. This condition returns true. Then execute this number. The given number is prime number. The given number is prime number. Okay, guys, up here clear. Now run the program. Run the program. After completing writing, next go to run button. Click the run current script or F5 and run the program. Here, see the result at the bottom of the screen. Enter any number. For example, your entered number is 5. 5. Given number is, your entered number is 5. The given number is, entered number is 5. Given number is prime number. Again, run the program. Again, run the program. Another number, enter any number. 8. 8 number is not a prime number. Because it having more than one factor, more than 2 factors. 8 factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8. It contains only 2 factors. It is a prime number. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching this video.